Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We have some exciting news. We have had several people that do not use the bots and they just use the indicators, and they were asking for a little better price since they didn't use the bots. So we listened, and we heard you loud and clear. So what you do is go to spymoneyllc.com. If you click on this or up here at the top, we now offer two different prices. We have one that has the auto trading bots and the indicators together, and then we have one that has the indicators only and no bots. With this, you still get all the training, the Discord, and all the other features that you get in order to learn how to use things. And if you click on the Lease auto trading bots, if you click there, that will open up, and it's $1,300 a month, the same price that we've always had. And with that, you get the indicators, the auto trading bots, the live training, the Discord. You get all of these indicators, lots of them. And we have a chart trader coming soon. We're working on it right now, and it's doing real well. But you get all of these indicators, and any indicator that we build in the future, you get it as well. You get the add-ons, which is the toolbar, and you get the trade copier. Two great features that we offer, and it just comes with your lease. Drawing tools, we have a channel drawing tool, which you can use it in automated, so as the price moves, then the channel will move as well. We have the Fibonacci retracement tool. It shows you where the pullbacks are coming to. And we also have the head and shoulders drawing tool. Usually don't use this much, but it's included. You also get the Autobots. We have a stealth bot, and it has 6 bots included. There's a second entry, a Sweet Scalper, Profit Finder, God, Boss, and Trender. Trender is the one that we are using right now. It's actually doing really well. We have the Coastal, Institution, Renko, Beast, and Fire. So at the time, these are the ones that are available. And I also do live training. I do live training a couple times a week usually, and we sometimes schedule it out. Sometimes we just go ahead and we'll be in Discord talking about something. I'll immediately go into a live training just to talk about what we are chatting about to help people out. And I do it just sporadic. Not really a definite schedule on that, but we do it all the time. Now, the other part that you want, to lease the indicators. If you lease the indicators, a whopping low price of $900 a month. Anybody can afford $900 a month. With this, you're going to get the indicators, the live training, and the Discord. All of these indicators in here. You also get, it's the same indicators with the auto trading bots, lease, and then you also get the trade copier toolbar, the channel, everything that you got in the auto trading bots lease, except for the auto trading bots. And why would you want to go ahead and get in to the indicators only? Well, the way I teach you how to use this particular strategy that's on the screen, and I'm going to post a YouTube video tonight on this so you can watch it. But just doing this, you can usually trade within 30 minutes to an hour at the most, and you can usually get your full target that you're needing for the day. So you don't really need the bots to do that. However, the bot will trade this very strategy right here. So if you don't want to pull the trigger, you can just go ahead and turn the bot on and it will automatically do it, or you can manually go in and do it. So if you want to manually do it only, it's $900 a month. If you want the bot to do it for you, it is $1,300 a month. At the time of this video, that's what the prices are. Prices may change in the future. I'm not sure, but we will probably keep it where it is. And once you sign up, you're going to get immediate access to all the indicators, bots, whichever way you go. You'll get immediate access to it. You can put your machine ID inside this is what you're going to be looking at. So you're going to have your machine ID where you can automatically go in and put that in. You're going to have the setup instructions, the bot parameters, the Ninja Suite product full import. So whenever you go in, you can download it and then import it, and then you have to have your machine ID for it to work. You can also do the Brad strategy. This one we're not using at the time. We are using what I put in the live stream videos. There's two quite long videos. One's about 2 hours, one's about an hour and a half. And if you just go to those and learn it, you don't need to learn anything else. You don't have to watch any of this stuff, no settings, no nothing. If you just go into live stream, do those two videos. Once you watch it, it's pretty simple how to use it. And again, I'll post a video on how that is used, and you can see what we do with it. Very easy to use. It's not hard to learn. It is very easy to watch for the entries. It gives you forewarning. You know what you're doing. And we usually, what I train is to trade 5 contracts at a time. 5 contracts, you can usually get 2 or 3 trades and be done for the day. So it only takes usually about 15 minutes. With the, depending on the market, of course, but usually about 15 minutes of trading is all you have to do. So this is what you're going to get, and if you have any questions, you can click the contact us. All of these emails come to me personally. I will be the one to answer them. And if you need to talk to me about it, have some questions, and you just feel more comfortable talking, put your phone number and what time is best to call you. I'm on Eastern Standard Time. Please put the time in the Eastern Standard Time so that I don't get confused about what time. And I'll give you a shout as soon as I can. We also have support tickets. You can, once you get in, if you have any trouble with any installations or whichever, you can do a support ticket, and we help you there. Funded accounts. I'm adding one more funded account, and if you watch the video tonight, you will see it posted. And it actually, I like it the best of all 3. Apex has its issues. Good company and stuff, but it does have its issues. UProfit, it's always scaling. I don't like the scaling. The new company that I'm using, you can only use one single account, but the data is so much better. The entries and exits are perfect. There's no errors. I have not had one issue out of it. It does a really good job. Also, the payout, you get paid out on the, as soon as you make money, you can get paid out that day. So it works really well. So if you want these two, here is a brief description of what they, as far as their detailed information. You can look over this and pick the one you want. Both of these are pretty decent companies. The third one that I'm going to post tonight, I like it better. Unless you're trading multiple accounts, you can't do multiple yet. They're going to add that. Again, if you have any questions, contact us. The Ninja Suite, pick your lease that you would want. I'll be honest with you, the majority of people do the indicators only, and they manually trade. Once you understand the strategy, it makes it easier. And so this one is less expensive, but the majority of the people are signing up on under this as to using the bots, because you're only going to be trading, usually half hour to an hour a day. And you can trade Asia, London, US, whichever one you want. The majority of the people trade Asia and London, and we have people across the world trading, so they can usually trade Asia and London easier than they can US Open. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you get started. You could lease this tonight and be trading. After you get everything set up, it takes probably an hour to get everything set up. And then after you get it set up, then you can go ahead and get into trading sim to make sure that you're trading it correctly. After a few times with that, or a day, then you switch over to live and you should be good. Any questions, let me know. Can't wait to get you joined in on our team.